Okay, here we have our stock number 4808. It's our Hobart 4366 mixer grinder. It's got the flared 66 head and plate. We're going to go ahead and start it up and let you see it mix, and then we'll go to a mix grind after that. See the arms. Alright, now let's shut it off. Wait a second, we'll flip it over to mix grind, and you'll see the arms will go the opposite direction. Alright. See the auger at the bottom. Alright. Now let's test the safety on top to see if it shuts it off. Which it does. As soon as you pull that safety down, it kills the whole machine. So there you have it. It's all ready to go. Give us a call at 765-659-3794.